such as bullying and HIV and AIDS awareness. On top of my thank you list is my mother. I am the woman I am because of the woman you are. To my sister Sarah, you are my rock. Paula, Esther, Sean, and the rest of the MEO team, you are family to me. To my Miss Universe sisters, I'll see you again soon. To the worldwide PNatics, salamat. To the next Miss Universe, fasten your seatbelt. At the end of your reign, you will have grown in confidence, maturity, and faith. For me, the title was a dream come true, but the work continues. Kababayan, maraming salamat po. Mahal ko kayo. Thank you for everything.